I will show you how to break stones. If you want to create your own new stones in this size from that stone, we can break it into smaller pieces. But we noticed that in the last group, this is gneiss, and it's really hard, and it doesn't crack where you want it to crack. But we will try. If we use granite, it would be much easier to create good stones. But we will do the best of this material. It's the local stone material, gneiss. So now we use protective glasses and gloves and ear protection when we do this. When you strike a stone with a big sledge, you want to hit it straight on like this and not like that. Because if you strike like that, the splinter will come in your face or in your here. So you want it to hit like that. So you have to place the stone where you can strike it in a good angle like this. And you don't hit the middle of the stone, you hit in one side like that. We just want to break it down in smaller pieces so it's easier. If it's a big stone and you strike in the middle, nothing will happen. Yeah, you can see it doesn't split well. This is just filling stone. But we'll try some of the flat ones. Well, this is as good as we get it, this stone. So, when we can try another method to use a chisel instead. I can show you some different types of chisels. Here we have 3 different types. You can come closer. So this is made for like chipping off small bumps or making small holes. And you can see these are modern chisels with a hard metal edge. In the older days, you always had a blacksmith when you work with stone, because then the blacksmith would make an edge and then use it until it's worn down. Then he forges a new edge on the chisel all the time. So in the quarries and stoneworkers always had a blacksmith. But now we often use hard metal like this, and when they are worn down, you just throw them. But it takes a while. It's really durable. This is softer metal, and this is really, really hard. You can see it's put down here. And this one you use when you split a stone. You drill a line of holes, and you use this to make you use it to make this crack a little ditch that the crack wants to go. When you hit the wedges, the stone will so it will be a straight cut. Because if you don't use this before, the crack can go more like this, if you understand what I mean. And now I'm going to show you this one. So this is for trimming edges of the stone. So you see it's flat, so you have to lean it like that. I'll show you on a stone instead. If I want to trim this edge off, I put it like that. And I strike back and forth like this until there is a crack and it will come off. So this is the same, but it's already have this angle, so you can have it straight up instead, if you understand what I mean, the difference. That and this I lean a bit like that. So I will try, see what happens. Okay. You never know with gneiss. And it's this is sprängsten. It's blown out of the mountain, so there are cracks in the stone already, and they will show when I start to hit. Okay, so I think now the stone is hard to split in that direction. It's easier to split it in that direction. So I'll try to change and do it like that instead. No. Okay. If it was granite, it would have been a lot easier, but this gneiss is really hard. Like a stone like this, I want to put it in the wall and show this side, but I don't want this pointy end here. I want it to be straight. The next stone that is beside here will meet this edge, and it doesn't look good. So you can use this murarhammare, this end or this end, to trim off small parts of the stone. Now you do like this. Like that. Now I have more. And maybe like that. And here is also difficult for the next stone, but I don't know, if I start hitting here it will probably crack, so yeah. But you can make small trimmings with this. Like that, and you get a better face side. So now I think we go up to the wall and we start trying to pin the wall. And we can take some of the smallest, thinnest stones in the wheelbarrow and these tools with us.